Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy through this crazy time. So a little distraction for you. I'm going to be making another Instant Pot recipe. This is inspired by Santa Maria style beans, these little pinto beans. They're basically pink beans, but they're just little teeny ones. So we're going to do everything into the Instant Pot. I've got a couple cups of beans. I soak these overnight because I like my beans really soft, so I soak those overnight. I've got a little water in here. I've got my Instant Pot on saute, so I'm going to add my onions. About one onion. And I'm adding in about a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and we're just going to let that saute for a bit. This recipe is super easy. Usually Santa Maria style beans have, bacon or meat, some kind of meat in them, and of course, I'm vegan, so there will be no meat in these beans, and this is oil-free. So it's all whole foods and super healthy. So we'll be back in a bit after we've sauteed for a few minutes. So onions have sauteed, they're translucent. Let's start adding in all our other ingredients, okay? So let's add our beans in. And let's add in a can of Mexican tomatoes. You can actually use any kind of tomatoes you would like. I've got a little apple cider vinegar. I've got a quarter cup of ketchup. I've got some spices. I'll detail all that in the description box. I'm going to put in some mustard, whatever kind you like. Probably about a tablespoon or so. This is about at the end of the deal here. Okay. Let's take saute mode off. Cancel. And then we're going to do a carton of vegetable broth. Give this a stir. I like to taste it to see if it needs anything. I think maybe a little bit more salt. Yep, a little bit of salt was great. So now you're going to put your lid on. Make sure it's on seal. And I'm going to put this on for about 40 minutes. There you go. We're going to let the steam release naturally. Like I said, I like my beans to be really soft. If you don't, probably 30 minutes would be perfect. So it's ready to roll. It's going to come up to pressure, cook for 40 minutes, and then it'll release its pressure, which will take 15 minutes or so. So beans are all done. So 40 minutes. Let it release the steam naturally. These just came out super hot. So give it a taste. Perfect. They're soft just the way I like it. These would be great in a tortilla or as a side dish. So definitely give this one a try. It makes a ton, so you can freeze it and have tons for the week, or you can give some away. And if someone can't get out of the house to go to the store, this would be great to leave this on their doorstep. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, stay safe and wash your hands. Thank you.